I'm going to create a short video here to show you how to export from Creately and then upload into a LMS Dropbox. So this is the flowchart that we created in that previous video, and you can see it's here, my first flowchart. So I'll select that, go down here to Open Document, and I'm in the editor screen here. In order to save this to a PDF, I'm going to go up here to the Export drop down box, and I'm going to select Export as PDF for printing. Now if I've set my page up as A4, I can match the exported PDF page size to the canvas size. If I don't select this, then it will take this shape and make it a full screen. So I don't really want to do that. What I can do is set the properties of the page to A4 and take my shape and pop it up here. Pop it up here in the top left hand corner. Now if I want to put my name on this page, I can use a text box. And some kind of label. Pop that up the top there. That's especially handy if I've got multiple flowcharts on the same document. Save what I'm doing here. Now I can go to export. So I click on export and say PDF, and if I click this button now, it'll export onto a page size. Click on export, goes through its business. This is exciting. 80%, 90%. Alright, now my PDF is ready for saving. I can click on save, and it'll take me to a save screen. So I'm just going to throw it onto my desktop. Okay, and I'm going to call it my first flowcharts.pdf. Now, if I want to change the name of the document, so let's say I start typing, I've overwritten that. My first flowchart, I must put in the .pdf extension when I save it. I must do that. You can see all these other PDFs here. If I don't do that, then it will not save it as a PDF file. So make sure you've got that in. Click on save. Now I've got a PDF. If I go and look at my desktop, there is the one that I saved. So now that I've saved it somewhere, I can go into the learning management system and go into Dropbox. Now, if I've got a link to it, I can do that, or I can simply click on Dropbox and select the correct one here. And this one I'm going to put into the flowchart practice Dropbox. So there's really only two things to do here. First thing I need to do is add a file. So I click that, go and find the file on my computer. There it is, on my desktop, my first flowchart.pdf. Make sure that it has that .pdf on the end. Click on open and then upload. After you've uploaded the file, you'll see it listed here, and you can add a comment for your teacher if you like, and click on submit. So it says here very clearly, file submission successful. You might see this little message down here about the sending email failed. Don't worry about that. It's this file submission successful that you need to be clear about. So we click on done, and you can see here that I have one submission. I can go in here and I can check the file that I picked up. There it is, it downloads it for me. I can load it into the computer, and there's my flowchart. Have fun.